Okay, lawnmower off-road recovery. Let the little black one roll down the hill. Got the old dually parked on top of high ground so the winch can go over the fence. And the controller doesn't work properly for the winch. It won't unwind anymore. So we're not even going to fight with it. We're going to see what happens. And see if we can get this poor mower out of the hole it fell in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Didn't even need to put the support underneath the boom like I had to lift a welder yesterday. That was way too heavy. The boom barely could handle the weight of that welder yesterday. Even with the support underneath it. That work, we'll have to unhook and straighten up the cable. There it is. Nice size snatch block on there to hook that pulley on. Yesterday, this pipe was attached up high on the boom with a ratchet strap pulling it forward, and it used to sit on the receiver hitch. That don't work anymore. So, thankfully I was able to open the pintle hook, stick the open pipe right down on it, tighten it up, and get it done. So, now I better go unhook it and get back to work.